Hi. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm posting now, so so I'm gonna try to make Adrien and Marinette from Miraculous Ladybug, or yeah. So I want to try out with Marinette first. So I've got a picture of Marinette here. I got a big one, and then I've got Adrien, which isn't the best photos, but So Marinette has her hair sweeping to the side, and so let's try it. Marinette has a nice blue eye color, and then look at that, that's beautiful blue. And then I'm gonna go to her skin tone. She is quite light, but she's not as light as this. She's kind of got like a tan kind of color. Yep, since it's all kind of like that animated one. You don't really see any freckles. So now I'm gonna do some hair. So her hair swooped to that side. So let me try that. This is the best that I could find, and she's kind of got like a bluey black hair color. So I'm gonna try to find a dark blue. I don't know if black would be better. I kind of like the purpley color, so I'm gonna go with that one. So she has two little pigtails on the side. I'll be back once I find it. So, I couldn't find any pigtails, but I got two little things at the back. So, I'm trying to find lips here. So, lips. I'm thinking of these ones, but I'm thinking maybe the basic color or this. Nope, I can't do that one. I'm thinking of this one, which is pretty cute. Now I've got to do Marinette's top. So she has a grey vest, kind of cardigan thing, with her white shirt with a rose pattern, a pink rose. So I'm going to try to find an outerwear that is kind of like this one. So then I'm going to go with a, wait, what was I? Okay, so like a grey kind of colour. Black's more like it, I guess. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to get the top. The top is a long sleeve. Oh, I've already got it. Wait, I've got to go back because I need to make it. I feel like, no, that's female. White. I kind of feel like it's, I guess that one's good. And then, she doesn't have any accessories. So, unless there's something to do with a ladybug. But I don't see it, anything. I don't know why I clicked that. I could do this for Adrien because it has a little bell. Does she wear a necklace sometimes? I don't know if I've ever seen her in a necklace, that's the thing. I'll just leave it at that, and then, no, I'll just leave it. And then I'm going to go with like a pink sun. And then I reckon they should do it. They should have it in somewhere like the school, a library. Okay, so there's Marinette, and now I'm going to go on to Adrien. I put it in Snippet Tool, and this is what she looks like with the background. Moving on to Adrien, he has, I guess, kind of a lighter skin tone to Marinette. I'm gonna go with that one. So now, I know it looks like Marinette, but I can X out of that one as well. So now he has the greeny type eyes, which I love the color of it, like, so much. No, I can't be bothered to change the color. So is it like dark green or a light? I know I don't sound like a big Miraculous Ladybug fan, but literally I am. Oh, that's a good green. Alright. Now Adrien has that kind of hair, and he does not have anything. Unless... Oh, he does have a little bit of frecklage, unless that's just my screen. Oh, it's barely anything. So I'm just gonna leave it. So I didn't really look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little smile. And then I'll do the hair. This is the Adrien hair. Okay, so now Adrien wears a white vest and a black top with some yellow, green, and purple stripes. So let me find the black. A black. Wait, a white. Maybe I should do this one again. Okay. And then I'm going to go back and get a different top. This, but as a boy, and change it to a black top, which you cannot do anything else with it. Miss. So Adrien usually has like frizzy hair, but I couldn't find anything different. Okay. So inner necklace is obviously this, but you know, I'm gonna go with something else as well. I'm not sure what I'm thinking with it. It kind of looks really weird. Okay, so he also has his cat ears, and I'm pretty sure this game has cat ears. They're not the best cat ears. I mean, I can handle them. They're not the worst that I could have had. But I'm like kind of leaning towards not having anything. But yeah, that's Adrien Agrest. Let me do something with the hands. Alright. I'm gonna go with that because, you know, there. Alright. So now I'm gonna add a text. And I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, so here's Adrien and Marinette. I don't know why, I just like rolling my art with Marinette. So yeah, here they are, and hopefully I'll make another video this month. I know it's like the start of the month, but hopefully I'll make another one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications for more. Bye!